Look how big is this. This is even bigger. This is even bigger. In a specific spot, in consistent area, and we're gonna do it consistently in every other day, every other 2 days. Keep chump that area, and then in a couple of weeks we can come back later. Hopefully that experiment will work awesomely, and we're gonna experience that together. So I chose this spot under the bridge. It's gonna be like a catch and release. So we're gonna jump here and there. I didn't have my can opener, so I used other ways to open it, and it worked out okay. How you doing? Guys, fish on. Fish on. Oh, I don't want to get it too. Oh wow. It's a big fish. That's wrong one, huh? I tried to land it over there. Let's see what it is. Oh, wow. Whoa. That's a big one. That's how you get the line. I'm gonna have to drag it. Hopefully it will work. The other line is not helping there. Oh my God. This is awful. Yeah, I think now we're good. Oh my God, this is a big one. So hard. Oh man. Oh man. Yes. Come over here. Come over here. Oh no, you're not going anywhere, dude. It's not fitting the net. My net is so small for it. Isn't that the jacket? Woohoo! Oh my God, I made it. We made it. We made it. Look how big is this? 23, 24 inches, 23 and a half. It's like the 24 inches, yeah. Woo! 24 inches, my man. Okay, let's try to put it in the net and try to weigh it with the net. Wow, that's, I don't know, it's not fitting there, but 10 pounds, my man. You're good to go. Okay, you go, off you go. There you go, there you go. There you go. Like another one, another small one. There you go, finally. I almost lose the rod here. It was weird. No. Wow. Ooh. No, come on, come back. Come back. Come back. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Oh, no. Try to land it right. Gonna try to drag it. Finally, yes. Another big one. Good fight. Good fight. The catfish. Wait, this is even bigger. This is even bigger. This is 27 incher here. Oh yeah. About the same weight. About the same weight. Yeah. Alrighty. You want to go home? Let's get you home. He's breathing. He's breathing. He's good. Bye-bye. See you later. Just 2 catches, right on. Both of them were big. Imagine how big the fish can get in that river. I'm planning to go there again to get more fish. If you liked it, let me know and comment below, and let me if you want me to go and fish again. We want to do more other trips, other places. If you like the video, please hit subscribe, like it, and watch the other contents. That will give me the push to improve my contents, give me more time to dedicate more time to work on my contents so I can improve them. Thank you guys, and see you in another video.